Hello, let's continue our strategy journey. I have already discussed two critical concepts in this whole strategy journey. That's about red ocean markets and blue ocean markets. If you really look at the entire business community is competing in red ocean. Only few organizations try to create these blue oceans. Why is that? Because general tendency is to compete or is to swim in the red ocean. But if we have to create a blue ocean, it's not easy. The decision taking process itself is not easy. So you have to take some hard decisions. So there are these few organizations who would like to create a blue oceans by taking hard decisions. Why? We have identified throughout this study there are four main reasons why an organization wants to create a blue ocean. These are very global, strategic four reasons. The reason number one, the impact of creating a blue ocean is highly profitable. It opens up a huge space, huge opportunity space for a company to play at very high level and to generate very high level profits in a sustainable way. If I have to share some data from the study, only 14% of the strategies studied became blue oceans in this whole process. That means 86% of the strategies studied were in the red ocean. But these 14% of the blue ocean strategies generated 61% of the profits of all the strategies put together. So you can really see the impact a blue ocean strategy can make. And the reason number two, the rising imperative of the world is to create something, is to innovate something, is to create a new industry, is to create a blue ocean. So there are no escapes for current days organizations than creating something new. So this tendency was because of preliminary some reasons. I would like to highlight with you one or two reasons out of this list. The number one reason, the massive technological advancements the society is making, particularly in information technology, which has cut across the boundaries of many industries. The second example of rising imperative is that commoditization of many goods and services in almost all the industries, where even by differentiating, the competition has become tough and ultimately you have had to compete only on price. So because of these kinds of reasons, creating a blue ocean is always worthwhile. So this is the reason number two. Reason number three is a little bit different. The management and strategy approaches of 20th century are increasingly disappearing. The so-called best companies, the so-called visionary companies identified in major studies towards the last part of the last century have started failing. Soon after these studies, especially after 2 to 3 years of these major studies which recognize these companies as best companies or visionary companies, these companies started failing. Why? In fact, this brings us to the next important proposition of the study. What is it? If we have to do a business analysis, what is the unit of analysis we have to take? Is it the company? Is it the industry? Is it the strategy? Because the previous study done and where certain companies at the top and certain industries were at the top, but within few years of the study these companies have come into oblivion. So business analysis, the unit of analysis is very important, whether it is a company, whether it is an industry, whether it is a strategy. History has proven even the best companies can fail. Even the excellent industries have failed. So the unit of analysis in a business analysis should not be the company, should not be the industry. It should be a strategic move. It should be a strategic move. What is this strategic move? A strategic move is a set of managerial decisions and actions involved in making a major market creating business offering. It's a bit theoretical. Let me redefine again. A strategic move is a set of managerial decisions and actions. Decisions followed by actions in making a major market creating a business offering. Hope you got it now. So there are strategies implemented by the companies which open up huge market opportunities for these organizations and generated very highly profitable growth. Also, there will be strategies implemented by the companies which become stories of missed opportunities, mainly could be in red oceans. So both these strategies are very important to be studied. So this blue ocean strategy study analyzed both winning strategies and losing strategies to identify the common factors leading to create a blue ocean strategy. Now let's take the reason number 4, why organizations create blue oceans. In fact, it's very common. That's why organizations want to create blue oceans now. Blue oceans can be created by any organization, by any industry, in any geography with any demographics. Blue oceans have been created in the history by small to large organizations, by new to old firms, by attractive to non-attractive industries, by public sector to private sector institutions, and from low technology sector to high technology sector organizations. In this study, neither perpetually excellent company nor perpetually excellent industry was found. But finally what we found was a set of patterns common across to strategic moves which create blue oceans. I repeat, what we ultimately found from this blue ocean strategy was a set of pattern common across all strategic moves which created blue oceans. So whether it was 1908 or it was 1980, the approach to strategy to create a blue ocean was consistent regardless of industry, regardless of organization, regardless of technological advancements the society has made, and also regardless of the time factor. Hope we have got a quite understanding about this strategy process by now. We have come to the end of the day's session, and we hope to see you again with the most crucial concept in this whole study of blue ocean strategy, the central or the cornerstone of the blue ocean strategy, which is value innovation. So our next session will cover the value innovation. You should not miss that. It is a very important session in understanding the whole strategy journey. So have a fantastic day till we see you again.